Hello everyone. I am Jyotiraj Dixit, student of MTech IT at International Institute of Professional Studies (DAVV) Indore. This video is a part of my MTech curriculum and is created under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Nagarsan. Today we will cover the topics like TCP/IP, client sockets, URL and URL connection class. The flow will be from introduction of TCP sockets, then we will move on to the TCP/IP client sockets, and then we will see the URL classes in Java and the constructor and method used by the URL classes. Then we will see the URL connection class and the method used by the URL connection class. Introduction to TCP/IP sockets. TCP/IP sockets are reliable, bidirectional, persistent point-to-point stream-based connection. Means the connection is connection oriented, and no acknowledgement is sent during the communication. There are two types of sockets used by the TCP/IP. First is the server socket, and the second is the socket. The server socket is used by the server, and the socket is used by the client. Means server socket is used as a listener, and whereas the socket is used to connect to the server socket. TCP/IP client sockets API. Socket class represent a socket client. This class can be used to make a connection to the server, send data to the server, read data from that server. To make a communication between with the server, there are following steps. First, we need the IP address and the port number to connect to the server. Then, to send the data to the server, we use the output stream, and read data from the server. We need the input stream. We can use these two steps, the second and the third one, multiple times. After the completion of the process, we need to close the connection. Now let's take an example to connect to a server, send data to a server, and receive data from that server. Here we have used the output stream object to send data to the server, and the input stream object to receive data from that server. And the buffer reader is used to store that data that we get from that server. And we have applied loop to print all the details that we get from that server. Now let's run the program. We are passing an URL of google.com. The program should return all the details of this URL. Here it returned the domain name, the google.com, registry domain name, and the different details. What is Java URL class? The Java URL class represents an URL. URL is a gateway to any of the resource available on the internet. It is an acronym of Uniform Resource Locator. It is used to point to a resource over the World Wide Web. Now let's take an example of an URL. This is an URL to the website, and it contains the three main parts. First, the HTTPS. This is the protocol used, and the www.itsjyotiraj.me is the host name, and the accordion is the file name. A URL contains main information. First, the protocol. In this case, it is the HTTPS protocol. Server name or the IP address. Here, use the server name is the www.itsjyotiraj.me. Port number. It is an optional attribute. If we want, we can write it. Like we can add a port number by inserting a colon and adding a number as shown here. And if it is not mentioned, it returns -1. File name or the directory name. In this case, it is the accordion. Constructors of URL class. There are many different ways to initialize the URL object. First one is used to create an instance using the string representation. In this, we pass the URL as the argument to the URL class. Second one needs the protocol and the host name and the port number and the file name as an argument to be passed. Third one, it uses the protocol used like HTTP, host name and the file name to create an object. Method used by the URL class. There are many methods used in the URL class. Few of them are get protocol. It returns the protocol used by the URL. Get port number. It returns the port number used by the URL. Get host name. It returns the host name of the URL. Get file name. It returns the file name used in the URL. Get query. It returns the query string of the URL. The get default port. it returns the default port of the URL. Get path, it returns the URL or the null if it is empty. ToString, it returns the string representation of the URL. Now let's take an example of URL class. Here we have created an object of URL class as URL, and we have initialized it using a string of an URL which is pointing to its usage.me, and we have used this URL object and called different methods like get protocol method, get host, get port, get default port, get query, get path, and get file. Now let's run the program. The protocol uses the HTTPS, hostname is the www.google.com, port number is -1 as there is no port number mentioned in the URL. URL connection class in Java. It is an abstract class whose subclass form the link between the user application and any resource on the web. We can use it to read write from to any resource referenced by the URL object. They are basically two subclass which extend the URL connection class. The HTTP URL connection. It is used when we use a URL which uses the HTTP protocol, and the jar URL connection class is used when we want to establish a connection to a jar file. Methods used in the URL connection class. These are some most common method used in the URL connection class. Open connection. It is used to open the connection to the specified URL. Get output stream. It returns the output stream to this connection. Get input stream. It returns the input stream to this open connection. Now let's take an example of URL connection class. First, we have created an object of URL class, and we have passed a URL as a string. Then we have used the URL connection class to establish the connection, and we have used the input stream object to get data from the server. Then we have applied loop and out printed all the characters that we have get from the server. Now let's run the program. We have got all the HTML code of the page of iips.edu.in. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.